Run into the sprinkler with them again.
What's that?
Run into the sprinkler, see if they'll follow you.
Call them?
Yeah, just call them.
Okay.
Dad will probably come. She's following you. Oh, she's running. He's lying down.
Keep her, boy.
Around the sprinkler. I think he might be afraid of it. Walk right into it, see if he'll follow you in then. Like walk in calling him. Don't hold his collar, don't force him. Hi, Pansy. Hi, Pansy boy. Oh, Dab, are you standing in the sprinkler? She's getting wet. She's just standing there getting wet.
It's just water.
She's like, this is how it works. It's cool here. I'll stand here. Indy, however, over there is trying to get as far away from the sprinkler as he can. Indy, come on.
Are you a good boy?
Oh, he's hiding behind Mummy. And back behind Mummy. Hi, Andy. Is Daddy scary because he wants you to go in the water? Okay, Daddy.
Come on, boy. Come on. I'd rather.
Indy, come on, boy.
That's a good girl, Dad.
Come on. Dad's standing in it again. Indy, are you afraid of the sprinkler, honey? Are you afraid of the sprinkler?
Randy. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on.
Dabby. Hi, girl. Hi, Dab. Indy's literally laying over there in the grass.